Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying the Cerakote ceramic headlight restoration kit. I know it might not be super effective or anything, but these are the lights we're working with. Pretty interested to see how this works. And it was super cheap from Walmart, so I didn't want to have to get a drill kit or any of that stuff. It comes with all these goodies. Step one. Let's see. That's funny. Take a before photo of your headlight. Wash headlights thoroughly, rinse well, put on supplied gloves. Okay. Alright, well, I guess let's get step one out of the way and see what we're looking at. Alright, step one says to grab the oxidation remover wipes and basically just go about it. Circular motion is what they're saying. And put on the gloves. We skipped the rinsing part just because I already wiped them down beforehand, but alright. Let me open up the other one and do the other side. Step 3 says to basically wet sand the light. We'll use the spray bottle, but alright. So wet the light down, put on your 2000 grit sandpaper with this. I guess I could wet this too. Alright. Basically wet the pad a little bit. Now for this it says non-circular motion. And it's super hot here, so the light's trying to dry out on me, so let me spray it again. Keep that nearby. Odd shaped light here. All right, let me get this sanded down and I'll be right back. Sorry about that cut. My phone overheated out here in the sun. But yeah, basically you wipe it down with step 1. You then grab your little doohickey there, attach the sandpaper, 2000 grit, sand it down, non-circular motions, kind of go back and forth, up and down sort of deal. Then you're gonna want to attach the 3000 grit, do the same thing, both of them being wet sanded, so you want water on them, or at least a spray of water the whole time. And then you dry them off really well, and you wipe the Cerakote coating onto both of them, and this is the result. So yeah, we'll see how long this lasts. I don't expect it to last very long, because typically you're gonna want to do a really nice, first hard, like a dry sanding, then a wet sanding, then you're going to want to actually buff it like with a high-speed buffer. So interested to see how long this lasts. But yeah, like, share, subscribe. I'll think of some more ideas. Peace.